Hello guys, here's what you can do if your ShadowPlay isn't working at all. So you cannot use the instant replay and you also cannot use the record button. They are just not responding. Like, you can click these but you cannot activate them. It will also shown up in the upper right corner, but it's not the case. So what you do is go to your GeForce Experience, click the options, and then you just turn off your in-game overlay and reactivate it. That's it. Now you can use your instant replay. It's working, yeah. And you can also use the shortcuts to turn it on and off again. And the record should be fine as well. Let's see. And that's it. I hope it works for you as well. See you guys.